Tonight, the man who stands at the center of the 2G controversy used his final card in court. Raja named the Prime Minister and the former Finance Minister as being in the know of key decisions in the 2G scam. What it amounted to was a series of direct charges. What it has led to is a complete political tornado.
He was expected to make a statement in court, but few thought that A. Raja would so openly drag the Prime Minister of India into the sordid mess of the 2G spectrum scam.
The UPA's worst nightmare. The Prime Minister's office attempts to distance Manmohan Singh from the 2G spectrum demolished by prime accused A. Raja. A. Raja's defense in court dragging in the finance minister, at that time P. Chidambaram. Also pulling in the Prime Minister himself, daring the Prime Minister to deny his note in 2007.
There was no official comment from the Prime Minister's office today, but top sources have told Times Now that the official response to the allegations against the Prime Minister made by accused A. Raja will be replied to by law officials chosen by the Law Ministry in court itself.
While the Prime Minister chose not to break his silence, the opposition didn't hold back the attack.
कि प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी और अर्थ मंत्री चिदंबरम जी इन्होंने तुरंत अपने पद का इस्तीफा देना चाहिए.
It is most unfortunate that the president of the BJP, on the basis of arguments of an accused, has made a public statement stating that what the accused has said is proof.
But the attacks had only begun.
ये बड़ा आश्चर्य है कि हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने कांग्रेस पार्टी की राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष सोनिया गांधी से सवाल पूछा और उत्तर देने के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी ने एक ऐसे मंत्री को प्रस्तुत किया जिसने मंत्री बनते ही संसद में कहा था कि सीएजी की रिपोर्ट बेकार है और 2G घोटाले में zero लॉस हुआ है.
What respect would we have for a democracy in the world if we are going to place unnecessary and excessive reliance on the statement of an accused?
A. Raja unleashing a fresh storm for the Prime Minister, raising fresh questions. If Raja kept the Prime Minister in the loop, does it implicate the Prime Minister? If Solicitor General cleared the controversial sale method, should the Prime Minister take ownership? Does acknowledging Raja's letters amount to accepting his methods? And does Raja's charge against the Prime Minister get diluted because he is the main accused? The biggest question of all, will the Prime Minister break his silence? Bureau Report, Times Now.